So Farhan, now you get only 10 seconds and you have to answer in 2 words.
I must tell you that the training for the boxing was easier than this. Superb.
That's it?
10 seconds. यार मैं 30 सेकंड के बारे में भूल गया. आप पॉजेस काट लो 20 सेकंड हो जाए. इनके स्टॉप वॉच स्टॉप कर लो.
ये है अज्जू भाई और ये है अजीज अली. ये है वो जिन्होंने अज्जू भाई और अजीज अली का कैरेक्टर बहुत ही बखूबी से निभाया.
थैंक यू मृणाल.
My fabulous co-actor Farhan Akhtar.
Thank you.
So Farhan, Tufan has released. अज्जू भाई and अजीज अली लोग देख चुके हैं. But I actually wanted to know कि what actually took Farhan Akhtar to become the Tufan. So हम एक बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा और वेरी सिंपल गेम खेलेंगे. So ट्विस्ट है दैट ये जो राउंड है, ये क्वेश्चंस का जो राउंड है, मैंने 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया है.
जैसे बॉक्सिंग के 3 राउंड.
जैसे बॉक्सिंग के 3. करेक्ट, सी ही गॉट इट. सो आपको सिर्फ एक द ओनली थिंग इज दैट आपको सारे जवाब उस टाइम में आपको लाइक 20 सेकंड्स, 30 सेकंड्स, 10 सेकंड्स में आपको देने होंगे.
चलिए लेट्स डू इट.
ओके, सो इस राउंड में मैं आपको 6 सवाल पूछूंगी और आपको जवाब 30 सेकंड्स में देना है. आर यू रेडी?
30 seconds in total for all 6?
No. 30 seconds every answer. Every question. Okay. So let's go for it. Farhan, what made you want to be a part of this amazing story of Tufan?
2 चीज़ें थी. एक कहानी थी और दूसरा जो बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ थी वो ये थी कि मैं राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा के साथ दोबारा कोलैबोरेट करूँगा. ये दोनों चीज़ें बहुत एक्साइटिंग थी एंड दैट्स बेसिकली द रीज़न.
Wow, that's quick. Okay, how easy or difficult or even different was it to prepare for this role after already having played a sports person in a biopic?
भाग मिल्खा भाग में जो डिमांड थी उस कैरेक्टर की वो ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में थी. ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में अपने स्कूल में काफ़ी कर चुका था, तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं कुछ एक नया स्किल सीख रहा हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे उसे परफेक्ट ज़्यादा करना था. और मिल्खा जी, oh sorry, 30 seconds. Oh damn it. हाँ, तो one is boxing, one is track and field. Boxing is more demanding as a discipline. मैंने कभी लाइफ में बॉक्सिंग पहले की नहीं थी, so to learn that उसका क ख ग सीखना वहाँ से शुरू की मैंने, तो it was more challenging.
Brilliant. Third question. How do you feel about your first film as an actor releasing on an OTT platform?
I feel really great, or particularly because it's going to release in over 200 countries, in over 240 territories, day and date. And as far as I know, it's some 80 million households plus that have the option of watching it on that day. So if for any artist, I'm sure you would agree, being an artist yourself, कि मतलब जितने ज़्यादा लोग आपके फिल्म को देख सकें, that's what you want. So I'm very, very excited.
Bravo. Okay, here we go. Fourth question. You have now acted in 2 sports movies, okay? Do you think you would ever want to step behind the camera and direct your own sports movie?
I believe in never saying never. So, and I love sport. I love sport in film because it's a great analogy for life. जो हम देखते हैं sport में rise and fall, challenges, struggles, dealing with loss, celebrating success, teamwork, collaboration, all these are lessons for life. So I would love to be able to do a film and let's see.
Absolutely, we can't wait for you to. The 5th question. How was your overall experience while making Tufan?
It was difficult yet at the same time a lot of fun.
Okay, let's move on to the 6th one. Tell us one memory that you distinctly remember from the sets of Tufan.
One memory that I distinctly remember from the sets of Tufan is always having to sit by myself on the side and eat my food separately while everybody else was having lavish feasts and really like enjoying the wonderful catering that was provided for everyone. That stays with me. That is, I think Rakesh and I have this one relationship where he won't allow me to eat on any film that we do together. So I've told him the next one that we do, please can it be something where I can sit with you all,
and eat
have those laughs, have those
enjoy.
jokes. Yeah. Because I have to just stay in a zone for most of the shoot.
Okay, so round 1 तो काफी तूफानी था, लेकिन अब challenge ना थोड़ा बढ़ चुका है. Okay, it's gonna get challenging because you have to answer all your questions in 20 seconds.
Now it's 20 seconds.
Now it's 20 seconds. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Any boxer that you really admire or you took inspiration from your role in Tufan?
Yeah, there's so many. I mean, of course, the greatest of all time, is Muhammad Ali. who has inspired anybody who goes into boxing. I mean, he's an inspiration for them. Mary Kom, you know, is another boxer. I mean, just an incredible career as a boxer, an incredible spirit. She's there in the Olympics again, you know, this year. So, yeah, so I mean, those are the two that spring to mind. But of course, we have Vijendra, who's another incredible boxer, who's represented India as well and done us proud. And now, there's many boxers.
Wow. Okay, second question. Was that 20 seconds, guys? 25, Farhan, you have to...
I'll cut the pauses.
What are your thoughts about the Indian boxing scene?
It's thriving. I think it's a sport definitely that's growing, not only in terms of participants in the sport, but also in terms of public interest in the sport. And I just hope that more money can get pumped into it, because I mean, we have some amazing talent, and all they need is support and belief.
Third question. In the movie, Ajju Bhai has quite a temper. You know, एकदम तोड़ूं टाक type temper. So क्या फरहान अख्तर को भी गुस्सा आता है क्या? कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, कोई किस्सा?
You know, I'm actually on that level. Ajju and me are pretty similar. That for most of it, we like to take things very easy and take things in our stride. But there is a point that when you know which if somebody crosses, then there's a flip that happens. I'm very aware of it in my real life, so I do try and keep it in check as much as I can. But I don't see Ajju as an angry person. You know, I never played him like an angry person. I see him as someone who knows that he has... Oh, 20 seconds, I'll stop.
Oh yeah, guys. But I got so intrigued. I want to know more about this.
I'm a slave of the clock.
Fourth one. One movie that you wish you had the chance to direct, and why?
Yeah, I don't think of any film like that. जब भी मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ जिसमें जो एक्टर है उसमें जिसने डायरेक्ट किया है, जिसने प्रोड्यूस किया है, लिखा है, जो भी किया है, the reason the film is that good is because of that combination. So I just love it for what it is.
Perfect. If you had to choose sports as a career, what sport would it be?
I think it would have been track and field. It's something that I've always enjoyed competing in running. So it probably would be that.
Fabulous. Something that you've kept, you know, that you wanted to keep it from set, like from the set of Tufan.
Yeah, I kept the thing that was most personal to me, which was my mouthpiece, my mouth guard that I wear. You know, in during the boxing matches, I didn't think anybody else would want it.
Anything, like a souvenir or something like that.
The gloves, I've kept gloves from there. I've kept the shoes from there, and the mouth guard.
Wow, lovely. Okay, that was brilliant, guys.
I will beat this every single time. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do this. 10 seconds में आपको सारे जवाब के सवाल के जवाब देने हैं. Okay, let's begin.
Yep.
Describe me as a co-actor.
Superb.
That's it?
10 seconds.
You have 10 seconds. You can say more stuff.
Okay, superb. 10 seconds, I'll keep saying. I think the best review that one can give a co-actor is when you look forward to working with him again.
Oh, can't wait. I really can't wait. Describe Paresh ji as an actor.
I mean, he really is. He's an absolute, a role model for actors. So to share screen space with him, to work with him was absolutely educational for me.
Okay, so the twist is you have to describe this the answer of the question in 3 words. Okay. So your question is 3 things that you love about working with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
Gives you freedom. Freedom to express.
So Farhan, now you get only 10 seconds and you have to answer in 2 words only.
I must tell you that the training for the boxing was easier than this.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll do well. Let's begin.
Yeah.
2 similarities between Ajju Bhai and Farhan Akhtar.
In 2 words, I would say happy-go-lucky, but I'll have to drop the go.
Happy lucky. 2 qualities of Ajju Bhai that Farhan Akhtar loves.
Innocence and hunger.
Hunger and innocence. Okay, so the last set is where you have to answer the question in 1 word, and for that you get only 10 seconds.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Your favorite boxing punch.
The left hook.
Name a pet peeve you have while making a movie.
Noise.
Describe our film in just 1 word.
Tufani.
Tufani. Farhan, that was wonderful. I wish मेरे पास कोई gift hamper होता तो मैं आपको दे देती. लेकिन I'm sure audience को बहुत मजा आया होगा. And before we go.
अच्छा नहीं मगर अब जा कर रही है. It's time. I should also ask you something, na? इतने सवाल आपने मुझसे पूछे, मुझे टाइम लिमिट दिया, ये दिया, वो दिया, मैं भी कुछ पूछ लूँ आपको? तो मैं
Bring it
आपको
on.
पहले 2 सवाल पूछूंगा,
Okay.
30-30 सेकंड के।
30 सेकंड।
Correct? तो पहला सवाल ये है कि हाउ डिड यू फील वर्किंग विद राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा?
It was a dream to work with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, and I loved working with him because I never felt I was working with him. I always felt like I was Ananya, you know, I was breathing that character. The techniques that I learned while I was filming with him. He always made sure that I feel Ananya more than I act, you know, and वो shoulders पे कोई pressure नहीं था फरहान. He always used to be like, आनी तुझे क्या लगता है? ये situation है, what do you feel? So I felt there was so much freedom on set. So trust me, it's a dream come true to work with him, and I'm blessed to be working with him at this initial stage of my career.
चलिए, was that 30 seconds? See, it's not so easy. Huh? Acha, the second one is working, of course, with Paresh ji must have been an incredible experience. So, can you share something about something that happened with Paresh ji and you on set that maybe helped you as an artist?
Yes, I remember. So Paresh ji and I, we would never do the readings or we would never rehearse the lines. But he would always ask me, what would your mother do if she was angry at you? So he would ask me and I would share the stuff in Marathi and he would pick those lines. And he would use those lines in the middle of the scene. He would just make it a conversation and I never felt like he was saying his dialogues. So I think that surprise element, that X factor about Paresh ji, I have learned that and I would like to imply that as an actor in my real life, in my future projects as well. How much was that? Oh, 1
Not bad.
second.
1 second की मोहलत we can give. We are very large-hearted people at Amazon. The next question I'm going to ask you now, we are going into the 20-second range of answers. Okay, so the first is that you play a very strong character in this film. Is that also how Mrunal is in real life?
Yes. I think after playing Ananya, Mrunal has become stronger, if I must say. There was a lot of learning when it comes to Ananya. She is decisive. Mrunal would sometimes be indecisive, be confused. But I think today, after 2 years, I feel I am more confident and thanks to Ananya.
Wow, wonderful. And the second 20-second question that I have for you is, do you have any thoughts on playing a sports woman in a film, and if so, who and what sport?
I would love to be a swimmer because I'm hydrophobic, and that is one thing that I really, really want to, accomplish. Like I want to. दिमाग में वो जो एक डर है अब मुझे वो निकालना है. So there's this girl called Rupali Repare. She is a fabulous swimmer. She swam so many states and it was amazing. She swam around the globe. So if I get an opportunity, I would love to be.
Wonderful. This is that, putting yourself out of your comfort zone. Amazing.
I'm
Good.
learning from you.
Good to see. And finally, in 3 words, how would you describe the film Tufan?
तोड़ुंटा, एकदम knockout.
So I don't have any hamper to give you, so we are quits on that. But we can fist bump. Well, that was a lot of fun. और आप भी मतलब इतना मज़ा लूट सकते हैं अपने फैमिली के साथ जब Amazon Prime Video पे आप हमारी फिल्म तूफान देखेंगे. I'm absolutely sure that you will enjoy it. Thank you so much.